Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. It's Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023. In this newspaper, I've already solved one regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, and two puzzles are left. The killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and the medium Sudoku. Yes. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve later on in the evening. And the news of today, well, war day number 329. Yes. But let me continue with this medium Sudoku number 58. Oh no, 10. Yeah, 5810. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Medium Sudoku, I've noticed, has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We will see, so let's get started. How about a 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Well, in this column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column, the second column, is the number 7. Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. Here can be a 7 in the last row because we have a 7 in... Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. And here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 in the second column could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here another 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the column next. So last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Okay. Then. The 2 in the first row. The 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this mixed square. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Right. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, first column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 6, okay. I'm scanning. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Right. 5. Yeah. 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 6, 9, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 369, 369, 369. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And we have a pair. 4 and a 6 in the third row, 4 and a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So in this big square, 2 numbers are left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1, 9, yeah. We have a 9 in this column. The 9 in the 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. The 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. Then 2 and 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 5. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first row. So the 5 in the last column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers, the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6 in the last column. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see here 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the row above, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 here in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Same numbers. Yeah, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 here in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes down. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Wait. 5 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2. 2. Well. 3, 6, and 8. 3, 6, 8. Will be difficult. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. The 9 in this row. The 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 1 and 8. We have an 8 there in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. We have a 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, digit number 2, number 1. How about the 7 then? Nope. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in the third column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And all the 7's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. How about the 4 then? Nope. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle on Wednesday. It's a killer Sudoku. And in the in the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.